The world of AI video generation is exploding. Over the last year, free tools have dramatically evolved, putting professional-grade video creation within everyone's reach. No longer do you need advanced technical skills. These sophisticated platforms empower content creators to produce stunning videos with unprecedented simplicity. Key advancements allow seamless conversion of text, images, or full scripts directly into engaging video content. It's truly revolutionary. Integrated features like AI voiceovers provide natural narration, while automated subtitles ensure your message reaches a wider global audience effortlessly. Access to vast libraries of stock visuals means you always have the perfect backdrop or supporting clip, enhancing your story without extra searching. While many platforms boast free plans or trial periods, it's crucial to understand the limitations. Let's delve into what to expect from these tiers. Common restrictions include persistent watermarks on your output, limiting professional polish, or strict caps on video length, often just a few minutes. Kapwing stands out as a powerful one-click scriptive video editor, simplifying the creation process significantly for beginners and pros alike. Its free tier offers 720p resolution videos up to 7 minutes long, perfect for many projects. However, expect a visible watermark on the final export. HeyGen brings personalized avatars and engaging video narration to the forefront, making it simple to create realistic digital presenters for your content. The free tier grants you 1 minute of high-definition 720p video generation per month. Plan your concise messages carefully to maximize this allowance. Synthesia excels at realistic talking avatars, offering incredible lifelike presentations. It's ideal for corporate communications or educational content. On its free tier, you receive 3 minutes of content per month, also featuring a watermark. It's a great way to sample their advanced avatar technology. Many free services operate on a credit system where generating content consumes digital credits. Careful management is key to sustained use. Beyond these, numerous other prominent platforms have shaped the landscape, each offering unique strengths for various content creation needs. Runway ML, with its groundbreaking Gen 2 model, transforms text or images into captivating video clips, pushing the boundaries of creative expression. New users receive 125 one-time credits, a substantial starting point to explore Gen 2's powerful generative capabilities and truly experiment. Kyber specializes in dynamic music video creation, translating audio into mesmerizing visuals that perfectly complement your tracks. Artists take note. Genmo's Mochi 1 is celebrated for its transparent, free approach. It's a fantastic option for creators seeking an honest, no-strings-attached tool. Kapwing excels in its simplicity, turning scripts into compelling videos with just one click. It's perfect for rapidly prototyping your ideas. HeyGen's focus on personalized avatars lets you truly customize your digital presenters, adding a unique touch to every narration and video message. Synthesia's hyper-realistic talking avatars deliver lifelike presentations, blurring the lines between digital and human. Experience next-level virtual communication. Pictory uses AI to transform text into engaging video content, perfect for quick summaries, blog post conversions, or social media snippets. InVideo offers a versatile online AI video editor, a robust suite for crafting diverse content, from marketing videos to personal projects, all in one place. Vidful.ai delivers impressive generations, but be mindful of its limited credit system. Use your resources wisely for optimal results. Beyond these, a new wave of tools is emerging, pushing the very boundaries of realism and creative control. The future is here now. Google Veo, part of Google AI Pro, showcases incredible advancements, though it's important to note this premium tool isn't currently a free offering. Sora, integrated with ChatGPT Plus, is celebrated for its unparalleled storytelling prowess. While not free, its capabilities are truly groundbreaking. Meta Create Vibes has quickly risen as a top contender, often highlighted as a genuinely free and virtually unlimited option for creators. This platform pushes the envelope on realism and creative control, offering astonishing fidelity for those seeking high-quality free video generation. A crucial advantage of these free options is their emphasis on user-friendliness. Simplicity is key to widespread adoption and creativity. They make AI video creation accessible even for absolute beginners, empowering anyone to transform ideas into captivating visual stories with minimal effort. However, users often encounter trade-offs, balancing desired video quality and features against the presence of watermarks or other limitations. The persistent presence of watermarks remains a common challenge on completely free tiers, often signaling a step up to a paid plan for removal. Despite these minor hurdles, the output quality from many free generators is remarkably high, making them viable for many casual and professional projects. This era of free AI video generators is not just a trend, it's the future of content, democratizing high-quality production for everyone. These tools are empowering a new generation of creators, enabling individuals and small businesses to compete with larger, well-funded operations. The pace of innovation in this sector is breathtaking. What was cutting edge last month is standard today, constantly pushing boundaries. From marketing campaigns to educational explainers and personal vlogs, AI video generators offer diverse applications across every conceivable niche. Many platforms now offer increasingly sophisticated customization options, allowing fine-tuning of visuals, audio, and pacing to match your vision. AI voice technology has evolved dramatically, producing natural-sounding narration that is virtually indistinguishable from human voices, enhancing immersion. Seamless subtitle integration ensures your content is globally accessible, breaking language barriers and connecting with diverse audiences effortlessly. Integrated stock media libraries provide a wealth of resources, ensuring you can enhance your visuals and audio without external sourcing hassles. Understanding resolution limitations is key. Many free tiers cap at 720p, which is suitable for online viewing but less ideal for large screens. Video length constraints often dictate how you plan your content. Short, impactful clips are typically favored in free usage models. Strategic credit management becomes vital. Understanding what actions consume credits helps maximize your free usage for essential projects. While proprietary tools dominate, the open source movement is also gaining traction, promising even more accessible and customizable future alternatives. A thriving online community supports many platforms, offering valuable insights, troubleshooting tips, and inspiration for new and experienced creators. Overcoming the initial learning curve is often straightforward. Intuitive interfaces guide you, making complex tasks surprisingly simple to master. Beyond basic generation, advanced features are becoming more prevalent, offering sophisticated editing tools that once required specialized software. As AI advances, ethical considerations in content creation become paramount. Responsible use ensures a positive impact on the digital landscape. The intense competition among developers continues to drive innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what these free tools can achieve. The power to create professional quality video is now truly in your hands, accessible and immediate. What story will you tell? Explore these incredible free AI video generators today. Unlock your creative potential and reshape how you tell your stories for the future.